welcome to Growing Guitar Friday. Won't keep you waiting. Alright, so if you want to learn this song, then I even want to keep you waiting. Yeah, anyway, that's the title of the song, and I just want to have a reason to say something else. I want to teach you the song, so let's go into it. Alright, okay, so no need for the capo here. We have 3 chords, and this song is about 5 chords, and it just goes in that same way through the entire song. So we're gonna learn the 3 chords needed for this 5-chord song. It's A first, open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. We have the B minor 7 next. That's a bar chord, you can see that. Place index finger on the 2nd fret, push down the first 5 strings if you count like bottom, and you go up like this. Then you need to add 4th on D and 3rd on B. That's B minor 7, and finally you have the D minor. Open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. So there you have the 3 chords. Now we have the chord progression that goes A, B minor 7, A, B minor 7, and D minor. We're gonna learn the strumming pattern. So if you grab the first chord A, 1 round goes like this. Okay, this is my interpretation of it. That's how I would perform it. So you can do it in different ways. There's a lot of action in this one if you hear in the background there. So that's the reason for us having a lot to work with here. Down, up, clap, up, down, up. That's the strumming pattern. So, like I said, down, up, down, up. Then clap, up, down, up. So if you combine these 2 parts, down, up, clap, up, down, up, you will have one strumming pattern. It goes like this. A couple rounds. Alright, so I played 4 rounds for you. That's how you're going to start as well. You're going to play A, 4, B minor 7, 4, then again, A, 4, then B minor 7, 2, and D minor 2. And that's it. So you play that repeatedly through the entire song. A, 2, 3, 4. D minor, 2, 3, 4. Back to A, 2, 3, 4. D minor, 2, and D minor, 2. And again. And that's how you do it, guys. Fridays won't keep you waiting. He's sitting there signing autographs like he should do. Great artist. So I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Be back for the next upload. Till then, play tuned.